guys, welcome to my vlog. For this video, I will teach you for this panel model GST. This one, IFP8, IFP8. Okay, so this one is using zone or loops. So I will teach you how to do it for the basic function. Okay, you go acknowledge. So the display now is coming light. So you go user code, user setup. Then you enter the password. So it password 80 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then enter. So you can access inside, guys. You can select the it selection. You have browse, clock, printer setup, daily mode setup, acknowledge timer, test setup, start and stop device. So this one force on, this one force on and force off. So stop and start device. And we have the disable and enable. So you can disable and enable. So you can go for browse, enter. So you can select inside the browse device, browse zone, browse group, and duplicate address, so double address, and browse panel status of the panel, the equation, and history log. So the all event and log is inside. You can see history log. See, you have file, common, history, and initialization. Okay, when you come back, like this, come back. Then come back, guys. The system setup is they will show the selection, programming, local output setup, working state setup, and commissioning. This is for commissioning, for programming. So you can press cancel. Then if you check the trouble, guys, you check this one. Click this left side. So they're coming like this. So you follow what is the rating. They're pressing F1. So you press F1. If you press F1, they'll show that is the disabled device. Then cancel. And you press enter. You can see the device details. This is the device detail, the disabled. Okay, guys, that is video today. The basic function of this panel. And then go back to the display.